Most apps don't actually control whether you get paid weekly or monthly. The payout speed is usually determined by the payment method, processing time, and how fast your earnings clear inside the app system. By the end of this, you'll know 7 apps people use for faster weekly style payouts, how these systems actually release money, and what really decides whether you get paid quickly or end up waiting longer than expected. Start with what weekly payout apps actually means. In most cases, the app doesn't send money on a fixed weekly schedule. Instead, you earn continuously, and the payout method determines how fast you can withdraw once you're eligible. Some methods process in a few days, while others take longer depending on verification. So weekly pay usually means fast withdrawal options, not guaranteed weekly deposits. First category is survey and task reward apps. These apps let you earn by answering surveys or completing small tasks. Once your balance clears, you can often request payouts through digital wallets depending on availability in your region. Second category is cashback and receipt apps. These apps accumulate earnings as you shop, then allow withdrawals once transactions are confirmed. The speed depends heavily on retailer verification times, not the app itself. Third category is gaming reward apps. These apps pay you for playing mobile games and completing milestones. Earnings build over time, and withdrawals depend on how quickly offers are tracked and approved. Fourth category is freelance microtask platforms. These apps pay for small online tasks like testing apps or labeling content. Some allow faster withdrawals, but processing still depends on task approval and platform review. Fifth category is ad-based reward apps. These apps pay you for watching ads or engaging with sponsored content. They usually have low earning amounts per action, but more frequent payout eligibility. Sixth category is referral-based reward apps. These apps pay bonuses for inviting new users. Payout speed depends on whether the referral stays active long enough to qualify. Seventh category is hybrid reward platforms. These apps combine games, surveys, and cashback in one system so users can switch earning methods when one slows down. Now here's what actually matters when trying to get paid faster. Payment method speed is the biggest factor. Some wallets and transfer options process faster than bank transfers. Verification delays matter more than most people expect. Accounts that are not fully verified often face longer payout holds. And earning consistency is the final factor. Apps with more active offers naturally reach payout thresholds faster. So instead of focusing on weekly pay apps, the smarter approach is choosing apps with fast withdrawal options and consistent earning activity. Weekly payout apps usually rely on fast withdrawal methods, not fixed schedules. Speed depends on payment method, verification, and earning consistency. No app guarantees instant or weekly income for every user. Next step. Try one fast withdrawal reward app and test how long it actually takes for your first cash-out request to process. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.